Hi everyone! Kamusta kayo lahat? I hope you're all doing great. So welcome ulit sa ating Traders Plus YouTube channel by Melvin Jason De Vera. And now I'm going to discuss about Elliott Wave. Okay, so ano nga ba yung tungkol dito sa Elliott Wave? Ito po ay pwede natin magamit both stock trading and forex trading and even crypto. For as long as you're looking at charts, you can see the moves and check for the cycle. Okay, so let me just share my trading platform para dito tayo mag-illustrate. Okay, so ang pag-uusapan natin as again is about Elliott Wave. Okay, so let me just point that out. Oops, sorry. At ang i-discuss ko ay yung may 5-3 move na tinatawag. Okay, so in the principles of Elliott Wave, meron tayong mga ma-observe kasi na repetition of moves, okay, or parang cycles. So we can break down the cycles into an impulse wave and a corrective wave. Okay. So yung 5-3 move, nandito yung 5. Okay? This is the 5 move. And the corrective wave is the 3 move. Okay, now let's understand this deeper. So let's say merong price movement. Okay, so let me just use this one. There you go. So this is your initial wave or wave 1. Now, kapag nagkaroon ng wave 2, okay, how would you know na may wave 2 ka na? Pag nag-pullback na to, no? Nag-retrace, yan. Okay, now, dapat ang extent ng ibababa nito ay hindi aabot sa simula no, hindi siya pwedeng umabot dito o lalong hindi siya pwedeng lumagpas doon. Otherwise, invalid na yan doon sa wave natin, sa counting natin. Okay, so it should be not reaching the 100% of the retracement of wave 1. Okay, so to know that, you can actually pick up your Fibonacci. So if you saw this, yan, uwitan mo ng Fibonacci. Okay, so again, ito hindi dapat umabot doon and mas maganda kung ito ay magre-retrace sa 61.8. Okay, there is like higher chances of or probabilities of winning this kapag dito siya magre-retrace. So again, paano mo ma-define ang retrace? Kapag nag-bounce. Okay, without this in the picture, hindi pa yan nagre-retrace. So kailangan magkaroon ng bounce. Okay. Now, what's the essence of the Fibonacci? So, meron tayong mga important numbers of the Fibo, and that would be 1 is your 0.618. Okay? Which is basically yung pinakamakunat na retracement line. Para bang pag ang price no, nag-pull back, sumaya doon sa 61.8, malamang babounce. Ganon. Or it can also bounce at 0.5. Okay? Or yung kalahati, yung kahati ng 0.618 sa 1, kasi 1 minus 0.618 ay yung kabiyak niya, si 382. Okay? So, yan yung mga important numbers in the Fibonacci. Okay. So, now let's continue here. Okay? So, ito, done. Ito na, dapat to humaba. Yan. So this is now the start of wave 3. Okay? Or this is now your wave 3. Yan. Okay. So usually talagang stretch yan. And then it can pull back. And dapat, pag nag-pull back yung wave 3, creating wave 4, hindi dapat lumagpas si wave 4 dito. Okay, sa end nung wave 1 o sa start ng wave 2. So hindi ito pwedeng umabot doon o lumagpas doon. Okay, so it should retrace anywhere before that. Okay, so again, when we say retrace, there must be another line. Okay, and this will be your wave 5. Yan. Okay, so let me clear some drawings. There you go. Okay. Now, kumpleto na yung impulse move mo. Okay? pwede mo nang kuhanin dito sa tools mo, customize mo lang, right click, customize. Piliin mo rito yung mga Elliott and push it by clicking this insert button here. Okay, so di ba, nandito na sila. Okay, it will be displayed here. Now you can label your motive wave. No? Motive wave is also the same as the impulse wave. So this is your end of wave 1, end of wave 2, end of wave 3, end of wave 4, and your end of wave 5. How would you know na end na yung wave 5? Kung nagkaroon ng pullback. Okay? So kung nagkaroon ng pullback, then ma-identify mo na ito ay end of the wave. Okay. So again, what are your rules dito? Let me just make sure na walang mabubura. I want to delete this one. Okay, at nawala yung ano. So again, this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So yung rules, no? Pakilista ko lang ulit. So, cardinal rules ng Elliott. Na theory, Una, wave 2, okay, should not retrace 100% of wave 1. So, hindi siya dapat umabot doon sa start ng wave 1. Okay? Wave 3 cannot be the shortest among waves 1, 3, 5. Okay? Then, finally, your wave 4, okay, should not, okay, exceed the end of wave 1 or start of wave 2. Okay? So ito yung mga cardinal rules of the Elliott wave. Okay? So pagka na-violate, invalidated yan. Now, what's next after this? Papasok na yung iyong corrective move. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, this is your first corrective wave or corrective move, followed by another. Okay, and another. So usually, this is an anti-trend ng impulse. So kung uptrend yung impulse mo, this will be downtrend. Okay? At pwede mo itong i-label Elliott corrective na as A, B, C. Okay? So now you have what we call one cycle. Yung buong 5-3 move is one cycle. Okay? Wherein we have your impulse wave right here. Okay, let's change the color to say green. Okay, there you go. And then you have your corrective wave right here. Okay. Let's change this to something pinkish. Yan. Now, pwede rin ito na pababa. Okay? So, for example, nag-downtrend. Okay? Then nag-pull back. Usok ko lang dito. Then nag-pull back. And then you check your fib. Yan. So, dapat hanggang 61.8 lang to. Yan. And then, nagkaroon ng pababa ulit. This is your longest line. Okay? Or at least not the shortest. Kapag ito nagkaroon ng wave 4, dapat hindi siya lumagpas dun. Okay? So, hanggang dyan, pwede. And finally, your wave 5. Okay? Then, you will have your corrective move, A, B, C. Okay? So, pagka kinuha mo yung impulse, ito yung 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? And then, ito naman yung corrective. Yung A, yung B, yung C. Okay? So again, this is your corrective wave. Yan. And then, this is your impulse wave. Okay? So pwede siyang pataas. Now, paano naman ito gamitin sa trading? Okay? So you can anticipate the next move if you are expecting a completion ng Elliott. Okay? So, paano yon? Ganito. Let's say you are in the middle of the 5-3 move. No? Okay? So, let me remove everything. Okay. So, nagkaroon ka ng isang move up. Pinanonood mo lang. Nagretrace. No? O nag-pull back. I mean. Tapos, nagretrace. Okay. Now, nung chinek mo sa Fibonacci, uy, sumakto. Nasa 61.8 ang bounce. Okay? Pwede ka ngayong mag-trade ng buy dito. Okay? Now, it's up to you. You can have some sort of a buy limit here, pabalikin mo, or you can have a buy stop there. Okay? But if you expect that this is wave 3, and wave 3 is known as a long trend, then you can actually enter a buy here. Okay? You can buy it here, you can buy it there. No? Actually, yung iba, much safer if you wait for it to break. No? Dito. Breaking what? Breaking this. Yan. Breaking that. Pwede rin yun. And then, put a stop loss sa baba. Which baba? Okay? Kung ako yan, dito ko lalagyan ng stop loss yan. Okay? So, logical dito yung logical stop loss. Okay? And then, let's say this continued up. So, tama ka. No? You anticipated that that's a wave 3 and you are correct. Okay. Pag ganyan na ang labanan, mari hanggang dito na talaga yan o hindi ka pa man sure kung hanggang saan yan, bitbitin mo na yung stop loss mo papunta rito, halimbawa. So, ang tawag doon, trail stop na yan. Okay? Now, let's say you missed that, no? So, medyo blank. Okay? Sorry for that. So, halimbawa, you have your wave 1. Okay? Now, you have your wave 2. Now, you have your wave 3. Now, this is wave 4. Knowing Elliott, you know that the next is a wave 5, which is also paakyat. Okay? So, do not enter kung ganyan pa lang, hanggat wala ito. Okay? Hanggat wala yan. Because you don't know until when ito. Right? And one thing you want to make sure is that without this yet, okay, tusok ko lang to, kumari wala pa yan. This should not exceed this level right here. Right? It shouldn't. So, dapat before dawn, anywhere before that, and then pinanganak to, taran, okay, you can buy. Diba? You can enter at the start of wave 5. Okay? Yan. And then you can ride it. And of course, with the logical stop loss below the end of wave 4 and start of wave 5. Some few pips below that. Ayan. Okay, because you expect that it might, this one here might continue. Okay? Can you also trade the ABC? Pwede naman. Pero ako kasi, yung mga ganong corrective, maiksi yun eh. Now, I'd rather wait for the completion of the cycle and then I'll check what happens next. Okay? So, that will be a good question. What if completed na yung cycle? What happens next? Diba? So, let's say, nakakomplete tayo ng cycle. 1. Okay, 2. Never mind the retracement. I'll just draw the lines. 5. Okay, so you have your impulse move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you have your corrective. Okay. Okay, now you have it. So what comes next? After your ABC. Okay? So after this whole cycle here, different things might happen. Okay? 1, it can repeat the cycle. It can have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another ABC. Okay? So that will be another cycle of the same direction. Or it can have a reversal of this cycle. It can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. It can be like that. Okay? So now tingnan natin ang application sa real chart. Okay? So I have noted here, okay, paano ko nalagyan ng zigzag? Madali lang po, no? So from a naked chart, for example, okay, let me just do a template here. From a naked, you just have to do insert indicators and then custom, bring it down hanggang makita mo yung zigzag. Okay, zigzag, and then change the color, change the width, it's up to you. Okay, so ito na yung kalalabasan yan. Now, when I spotted this one, okay, nag-pull back. And then nag-retrace. So looking at the Fibonacci, so getting your Fibo here, nakita ko na ito ay tumapat sa 50. And again, it's one of the important numbers. 50, 61.8, 38.2. Okay, and it retraced. So you can actually position a buy here with an SL right here, expecting continuation then. Okay? Kung nakaka-graduate ka na dyan, pwede mo na iusog yung SL mo banda rito, banda doon, para maka-trade stop ka. Now, nung nag-pull back dito at nag-retrace, nakita mo yung wave 4, hindi umabot dito sa wave 1, so valid. So pwede ka rin mag-buy. And then with an SL below the wave 4 start, then gain ka pa akyat. Okay? And then, nung nag-start na rito, you can actually cut your trade, no? And you know that this is now a corrective move, A, B, and C. And look what happened next, a complete reversal of this trend here. Okay. So, I hope naging malinaw sa inyo yung paggamit ng Elliott Wave in the simplest explanation I can give. May iba pa tayong mga pwedeng maging sessions related to that, such as the harmonics. But if you have other requests na ano pong mga technical indicators yung gusto nyo i-discuss ko, paki-leave down na comment. No? Down below, paki-comment nyo, feedback, request, and please give us a thumbs up po. Okay? Thank you very much. Happy trading everyone.